Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by doing retail arbitrage. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a way to earn some extra income? Retail arbitrage is a great option that can be done easily and does not require much startup capital. In this video, we'll show you how to get started and make a profit from it. First, let's define what retail arbitrage is. It's the process of buying products from a retail store and selling them for a higher price online. To get started, you will need a laptop or desktop computer, an internet connection, a PayPal account, or another way to receive payments, a printer, optional, and a digital camera, optional. To find products to sell, you can either go to physical stores or look for online retailers who sell products at a discount. Once you have found a product, you need to evaluate it to see if it is worth selling. To do this, you need to consider the price of the product, the shipping costs, the condition of the product, and the demand for the product. If you decide that the product is worth selling, then you can list it on an online platform such as eBay or Amazon. You can also sell the product in a brick-and-mortar store. To do this, you will need to negotiate with the store owner and agree on a commission fee. Now, let's talk about how to find products to sell. There are a few different places you can look for potential products to sell through retail arbitrage. One option is to source products from online retailers such as Amazon, eBay, or Overstock. You can also find potential products at physical stores such as garage sales, thrift stores, or clearance racks at your local department store. When looking for potential products to sell, it's important to keep in mind the margins you need to make a profit. For example, if you're sourcing products from Amazon, you'll need to factor in the cost of shipping when considering your profits. Similarly, if you're looking for products at garage sales, you'll need to be aware of how much time it will take you to source and list the items for sale. Once you've found a potential product to sell, it's important to evaluate whether or not it will be profitable. Some things to think about when you're doing this: the price of the item, the cost of shipping, the fees associated with selling on your chosen platform, the competition for similar items, and the estimated time it will take to sell the item. By considering these factors, you can determine if the product is worth selling and if it will bring you a profit. Now, let's talk about how to sell your products. There are a few different ways to do this, including online platforms and traditional brick-and-mortar stores. To sell products online, you can use a number of different platforms. The most popular option is to sell through an online marketplace like Amazon or eBay. You can also sell through your own website or blog, or through social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. It's important to take good photos of your products, write clear, concise descriptions, be aware of shipping costs and delivery times, and offer competitive prices. To sell your products in traditional brick-and-mortar stores, You'll need to find stores that are interested in carrying your products, and then negotiate terms with them. This can include things like consignment agreements or wholesale contracts. Selling in brick-and-mortar stores requires a bit more work than selling online, but it can be a great way to get exposure for your products. You'll need to create display materials and train store staff on how to sell your products. In conclusion, retail arbitrage is a great way to make money by buying products from retail stores and selling them for a higher price online. It's important to find the right products to sell, evaluate them for profitability and choose the right platforms to sell them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online. If you have any questions or comments about retail arbitrage, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And remember, the key to success with retail arbitrage is to always be on the lookout for great deals and to be flexible with your approach. With the right mindset and a bit of effort, you can start making money through retail arbitrage today.